Hey guys, this is Miss Lilly. I'm here with my awards for fall 2022. And so my Academic Excellence Award was very difficult this year because I had many students in several of my classes that did a fantastic job this year. So um, for me, academic excellence is turning work in on time, doing a great job. If you need to do something over, you take the time to redo it and make corrections, and you're always working hard to be an excellent student. So these are my awards for this year for academic excellence in Algebra 1 Part 1 goes to Madison Arnold and Taylor Fairbank. Both Madison and Taylor did a fantastic job, had very high averages, and worked hard to show their school spirit and worked hard to show how much they cared about their academics. In Algebra 2 Part 1, Ainsley Davenport and Selena Ashley had within a couple tenths the same average. So very good job to both of you guys. I had several others in that class that also had very high averages and finished with excellent scores on their final exam. So these again were excellent students, but there were some others who did a great job as well. So way to go. And in Algebra 2 Part 2, Laura Boyd showed academic excellence as well. She always worked hard to do the best she could, showed school pride, and continually worked to improve and do things even better. So way to go to all of these students.